In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Palworld multiplayer not working. First, go to CMD, run as administrator. So here, there's some few commands you can write down. First one, netsh winsock reset, and then press enter. And then ipconfig space / register DNS, and then ipconfig / release, and then ipconfig flush DNS, and then lastly ipconfig / renew. Once you do this, you want to close this down. Now check if it works. Now if you're still having the same issue with can't play multiplayer, then I suggest you to check if the servers are down. So just type is Palworld down. So you'll get like a website like this one or this one. If the server is down, you'll see like a spike here, people reporting issues and stuff. And here you'll see like server issues. As you can see, now everything is operational. So clearly now it's not the case. So if that was the case, however, then all you'll have to do is just wait for them to fix the server issues. So another thing you can do is go here under internet, go to settings, and then here you'll go to internet, and then over here where it says proxy, make sure that the proxy is turned off. And then you'll go back here, you'll go to your internet again, then go to your internet, then under where it says DNS, select manual, turn this option on, and then type 8.8.8.8, then here type 8.8.4.4, and then click save, and this should fix your issue.